This one's going to be interesting. ZE1, as you can see, it's only got 31,000 kilometers on it. Very little charging, which suggests that it's just been plugged in and left sitting stewing at 100%. So we're going to do a stress test on it. You can see the HX is pretty low. State of health isn't brilliant, especially at this mileage. State of charge, it would be nice if it was lower, but obviously there's only so much we can do when the customer brings it in for a check. So we will set off on the test and we'll see what we get. So just pulling out from the side of the road, I'm going straight for full power. To back off because there's a corner, and then we'll go for full power again in a second. But you can see from the amps on the top right hand corner of the screen how much power we're drawing or putting back. So we're going for full power again. You can hear from the increasing road noise and wind noise that picking up some speed quite quickly, and then backing off because I think we're good. Nice to see another nice strong battery even with a low HX. It does back up the view that just HX and just state of health don't give us a true reading on where the battery sits. So